Hello everyone, if Arc Raiders is crashing your whole computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how you can stop Arc Raiders from crashing your whole computer or making it restart every time it crashes easily. So first off, you need to disable any overlays that you have running in the background. So if you have MSI Afterburner or Corsair IQ, they can mess up with Arc Raiders, or if you have Discord's overlay turned on, make sure to turn it off as well. Just come here, scroll down, find game overlay, turn off legacy overlay, or turn off overlay here as well. And after that, you're going to go into advanced and make sure to disable hardware acceleration. And after that, you're going to close this code and open it up again, and then you can try to play your game and you'll see that Arc Raiders will not crash your whole computer now. It won't even crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.